Okay, number 3 in the worksheet, we're given parallel lines and a congruent angle. Again, no sides, so I'm going to be working with angle-angle similarity. Need to show 2 angles because I'm not given any sides, so I'm not using either one of those. So I have a pair of parallel lines. Parallel lines always give me some type of congruent angle, and I have another congruent angle. So there's my 2 sets. I just need to find the first one technically. So start with zy and vx are parallel. Zy, wx, zy and wx are parallel. Pick a transversal. Really, there's only one transversal that works for, get the right pen here. There's only one transversal that works to give you angles in the triangles that you want, and that's that one going down the middle. That might be something you have to play with. Maybe you're not sure which transversal gives you the lines. The reason I know this one is true is because if I can connect the transversal to the parallel line like that, that's an angle in the triangle, ZYW, that I can use. The other one is right here, YWX. I can connect it. Sometimes students will try to use this angle right here. But if you go from the green line up like to the yellow, that whole pink part is not inside the triangle. And if I used a different transversal, if I go way back with what I had drawn, and I try to use a different transversal, let's say WZ, then I already have this one given to me, and the other one inside the triangle, like if I use corresponding angles, it's outside the triangle. If I use alternate interior angles, it's outside the triangle. So that transversal doesn't really make sense. You might have to draw a couple transversals though to check. So that's my transversal for now. So I'm going to identify ZYW, that's this angle down here, ZYW and YWX as alternate interior angles. Definition, alternate interior angles. Because of that, I can say that those are congruent, ZYW, congruent to YWX. If you have parallel lines, then the alternate interior angles are congruent. So that's one angle. My other angle is given to me, so I just need to state that. Angle Z and angle X are congruent to each other. That was given. Those go together to give you 2 angles. So the angle from number 3, the angle from number 4 gives me angle, angle.